practice exercise in percentage topic. Question number 1. What is the percentage form of 0.4? So 0.4 is the decimal form. We have converted into percentage. For convert into percentage, we should multiply with the 100, multiplied by 100 and keep percentage symbol. That is 0.4 into 100% and equal to 1 decimal. For 1 decimal, 1 0 cancel, that it becomes 40%. That means 0.4 equal to 40%. Next question number 2. What is the fraction form of 20 to 1 by 2%? Here percentage given, we have convert into fraction. 20 to 2 is 44 plus 1. 45 by 2. First we have convert mixed fraction into improper. Then removing percentage or convert into fraction, we should divide it by 100. That is 5 nines, 5 20s. That equal to 9 by 2 20s 40. Next, question number 3. Find the value of 7 by 2% of 80. 7 by 2% of 80 equal to 7 by 2. The percentage we should write 1 by 100. The half we should write into equal to 8 equal to 0 0 cancel. 2 tens 24. Sorry. 2 4s are 8. Here by 10. 7 4s are 28 by 10 or 2.8. Question number 4. Find 12.5% of 64. Sorry, 125% of 64. 125% of 64 equal to 125 percentage by 100 into 64. 25 5s, 25 4s, 4 16s, 16 5s are 80. Next, question number 5. 36 is what percent of 144? 36 is what percent of 144? That means 36 is means equal what percent? That is question mark percent of 144. We have to find out the value of question mark. That is 36 into question mark by 100 into 144. So question mark 36, 144 by 100 and sent to this side, it becomes reciprocal of this, that is 100 by 144. 36, 12 3s, 12 12s, 3 4s, 4 25s. Therefore, 25% of 144 equal to 36. So answer is 25. Question number 6. What percent of 80 is 60? What percent of 80? So question mark percent of 80 is means equal to 60. In this question we have to find out the value of question mark. That is question mark equal to question mark by 100 into 80 equal to 60. Then question mark equal to 16 into 80 by 100 and sent to that side, it becomes reciprocal, that is 100 by 80. 16 ones, 16 5s, 5 20s. So answer is 20. That means 20% of 80 is 60. Question number 7. If 23% of A is 46, then find the value of A. So 23% of A equal to 46. In this question, we have to find out the value of A. That is 23 by 100 into A equal to 46. Then A equal to 46 into 100 by 23. That is 23 ones, 23 twos. So value of A equal to 200. Next, question number 8. Simplify 35% of x equal to 3/4 of 48 plus 62. 35% of x equal to 3/4 of 48 plus 62. Simplify means here is 36 plus 62. That is 98. 5 sevens, 5 20s. 7 by 20 into x equal to 98. Then x equal to 98 into 20 by 7. 7 ones, 7 14s, 14 20s, 280. So value of x equal to 280. Question number 9. Simplify 5 1 by 2 of 240 equal to 150% of x. So 5 1 by 2, that means 5 2s are 10 plus 1, 11 by 2, all means into 240 equal to 150%, percent means by 100 into x. In this question we have to find out the value of x. 53s, 52s, 2 120s, then x equal to 11 into 120. This 3 by 2 when set this side becomes reciprocal, that is 2 by 3. 3 ones, 3 40s, 42s 80, 80 into 11, that is 880. Next, question number 10. In a school, there are 1200 students. If the percentage of boys in a school is 60%, then find the number of girls. So in this question, total number of students, that is 1200. Total number is equal to 100%. That is total students equal to in percentage 100% and value according to question 1200. Boys is 60% and boys is 60%, automatically girls equal to total 100%. So 100 minus 60, that is 40% girls. So in this question we have to find out the number of girls. Percentage of girls equal to 40. Number of girls equal to 40% of total students. Total students is 1200. That is 2 zeros cancel. 12 fours are 48. 0. That is 480 girls. Okay, next question number 11. A garden has 2000 trees. 12% of these are mango trees, 18% lemon, and the rest are orange trees. Find the number of orange trees. So, in garden total trees is equal to 100%. So, 100% equal to 1200 trees. In these, mango trees are 12% and lemon 18%. The rest means remaining or orange. So orange trees percentage is 100 minus 12 plus 80. That means mangoes and lemon trees subtracted. Then 100 minus 30, that equal to 70%. So we have to find out the number of orange trees. Number of orange trees equal to percentage of orange trees is 70%. The number of orange trees equal to 70 by 100 into total trees, that is 1200. Sorry, not 1200. Total trees is 2000. So 70 by 100 into 2000. So 2 zeros cancel. 7 2s are 14. 0 0 2 zeros means that is 1400 trees, orange trees. Okay. Next. Question number 12. Radha earns 22% of her investment. If she earns 187 rupees, then how much did she invest? So If she earns 187 rupees, then how much did she invest? So investment is 100%. Earning is 22%. So value of 22% is given here, that is 187 rupees. Then we have to find out the value of investment, that is 100% value. That is 100 by 22 into 187. So cancellation. 11 twos, 11 ones, 11 sevens, 2 50s, 17 50s, 850 rupees. Question number 13. India's army is 40% more than Pakistan's army. The Pakistan have 1,50,000 soldiers. Then find the number of Indian soldiers. So India's army is 40% more than Pakistan's army. So Pakistan's army equal to 100%. India's army is 40% more than Pakistan's. 100 plus 40, that is 140%. So Pakistan army 100% value is 1,50,000. Then value of Indian army. So it is 100 into 100 into 1500 equal to 1,50,000. 140 into 1500 is equal to 3 zeros. 15 4 is 60. 15 plus 6 21. That is 2,10,000. It is the strength of Indian army. Next, question number 14. A town population is 2 lakhs, in which 40% male, 30% females, and rest are children. Then find the number of children. So total population is equal to 100%. Total population equal to 100%. In these, males equal to 40% and females equal to 30%. Here population means male, female and children. So then children equal to 100 minus 40 minus 30. That means 100 minus of 40 plus 30. That equal to 100 minus 70. That equal to children percentage is 30%. So we have to find out the number of children. So therefore number of children equal to 30% of total strength, that is 2 lakhs. 2 zeros cancel. 3 2s are 6. 4 zeros. That means 60,000 children. Next, last question. The price of rice is 20 rupees per kg. Price due to shortage of rice. Price of rice increased to 25 rupees. Find the increased percentage of rice. Increased percentage of. Here, initial value of rice equal to 20 rupees per kg. Due to shortage, that means demand, price will become 25 rupees. Then increase percent. So therefore, increase percent equal to increment by original value or initial value. Original value or initial value, starting value into 100. That is here increment 25 minus 20 and initial value 20 into 100. that equal to 25 minus 25 by 20 into 100. That is 21, 25, 5 5 are 25%. Okay. Now percentage chapter is over. So percentage topic over. Practice it. Tomorrow we will discuss profit and loss.